Task master of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Karim Zito, is about to take a very big decision on the selection ahead of Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Baseke Holy Stars. Utufo Nyankopo Yadoma, Ayakosiade Diade. March day 20, Ghana Premier League. A decision Kasiapa and O take. But the one sem Asia, Ovia, Nano, and the calf. AFCON no ebe one of the greatest AFCONs in terms of organization there untibi Morocco for cra na eno na CAF president e dey same be to the one say dey na omo epon ball no amanfo say CAF president the reaction no was something I say na onye happy say Senegal ade ade no but naturally me cra no ohwe na the host nation na yemfa fairness to the bia o enye bibia na ye de logical host nation no ono na ye bibia naturally sa wo ye CAF president a me sure say obepese nipa na o host ne beje independent be say no amanfo ka say na CAF president Mosepe enye happy wo ho me wo ho nsem kakra bi wakasa the whole update ever bro and Ashanti Region football schools competition or football and baby okes and aje for a record time okes are Jenny or I think bed 13 and okes aje and also I want some waha yedi Asia Eufia ha Kumasi Asante Kotoko appointed a new physiotherapist in a couple of days months in Kotoko and shed any substantive physiotherapist because of physiotherapist that we be to mark as a physical trainer brofo yes and also honsem kakra ewo ho now Asante Kotoko players na omu fi ono menya na ntieze no after say omu twa light bill no yema mu twa water bill baller fee nyina no omu twa because in hihye kwan so no ewo se sa na ye ene ho nso nsem kakra ewo ha we Asia ewo efie ha feeding fee no so Kumasi Asante Kotoko am told say feeding fee no so omu tua na den because you say no yemba gugu new top to it the management is still considering for the players to vacate the clubhouse or at the end of the season and also on sem kakra our ha the Asia Ghana Football Association and run after say the Dirigogo referee Julian Nunu Diti Kumasi Asante Kotoko deny Kotoko victory no and Ghana Football Association the referees ni nyina no ehia ya and ho nso nsem kakra ewa ha me de ehia ewo fie ha na date no 21st of January 2026 the year of our Lord. Let's quickly take this message as a light for our path but answer the light for our path no ebeba no Mr. So I won't subscribe here. I know I hit the red subscribe button also. Now about man also need update it together. Yes. Now fi what join the Kotoko international reaction. No me who WhatsApp platform as well they say it's Mr. Obe join the Kumasi Asante Kotoko international WhatsApp reaction. Na yendi kasubum yendi Kotoko ho abobu yendi Kotoko ho atete yendi Kotoko yendi Kotoko ho ni enya atene ewo ho 0247 1072 60 0247 1072 60 January 21st 2026. Let's take this message as a light for our path. It will be right at the end. If it is not right, it is not the end. Ewiye no ebeye sa enyanye ya na chese it will be right at the end, and if it is not right, it means it is not the end. So my brother, my sister, keep on moving. It is going to be right for you. At the end of the day, it is going to be right. So it is not right, it means it is not the end. You get it? So it is going to be right for you. Yamfa message way and nante as a light for our path and then it na yanko yanim ewo Asante Kotoko insensiminum. Now Mekwema to go through the Kotoko stories, the biggest headache right now the senior tax master, Coach Karim Zito. Say no open coach asudie egu no so pa Kumasi Asante Kotoko head coach. Ye pam coach Prosper Ogumnati ene ye fa no last year April. Obaye no, the expectations were very high, and in the first season he did quite well by winning the MTNFA Cup for Asante Kotoko to qualify for a CAF Confederation Cup. No, the auxiliary cups because of auxiliary cups are cups in Chenchin. We need so far what 4 trophies for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Obaye no, in less than 1 year. To be wrong honest, Coach Karim Zito record with Asante Kotoko no enye bad. Name no Kotoko no a big club. Oba, you need to win the league standard. Her trophies be saying no aje MTNFA Cup Obaye no. Another trophy I will say imu du pan waje. And auxiliaries also miensa. President Cup, Toyota Cup, South Africa yene Kaizer Chiefs and Super Cup, which is Champions of Champions. Inti Okabuma 4 trophies no waje. The very much competitive trophy no the MTNFA Cup and waje in getting miensa. President Cup, ceremonial cups which is the Kaizer Chiefs the Toyota Cup and the Champions of Champions are boy against the BNE Gold Stars omo ye koto bukromo ekoshe omo sa game no mekai pa Kotoko reaction so ebeba so na senior citizens say omo ntiase say game no ye kobodo ba BNE but obi a utimi no ye kokoshe omo ena nanu ya so na wasan ke omo but it took the jirigogo actions of referee Julian Nunu and about Kotoko and Nasa victory. Kotoko camp news if ye news can cry on say like being say no players near Shomus or Moabitria. What a be the baller fee no more fee no more Moabitria. We are Mitriamao, be a Mitriamao. I don't information is Aiken. And as we speak, Samba Unel Kamara and Peter Amidu are heading out of the club at the end of the season. Young former and to baby. Now young queen now. Samba, the move to Simba Esino. Information be I and say can say Simba for no free transfer. Player no, as why an agency or no call Peseko to Kunyaka crab. But Sika Omodema agency no as Samba signing on for the mood. And I make us say, sir, agency no, and I say Simba for no. Sorry. Simba for no. I imagine say Mobetia $180,000 as signing on fee for player na agency for Nigeria. I didn't say this cano. Mumma Kotoko kakra. Na Kotoko nsu enje mu kole. Na player na nini agency nkwambe this sketchuwe and so. Eno na ama Samba deal no. Aye bibi e ho na sa. So we go free nkwa dia. Ya asemu. Na player no so busumi bia obama no $10,000. Who go? Sponsorship and as the Kotoko stadium more. But omo ni papa stadium but me sure sponsors in so come. Because sponsors for no omo sponsor clubs no who say stadium cheer. Score the no economy because at the end of the day no ombenya the mileage correctly. So enra Ghana Football Association any referees omo referee in the Ghana Premier League Ishia and omo one is a master mugu animasi too much. Now this time around we are putting out a strength measures ni go about if you are a referee and now okuditi obi a yemfancha na when now we meeting we na referee okuditi obi recently which is referee Julian Nunu. I'm not punishing, but as we speak, today is midweek, and now midweek, Wednesday, we still haven't had any punishment. At least the referee reviews committee, among her body biomana, among her body bio, because it is denting on the referee's image in the Ghana Premier League. so ɔna bɛtɔ no ɛyɛ dentin wosi coach akɔka se coach deɛ watwe na so opere na referee na ɔno no wawie mu no ɔno deɛ wo no wosi wobɛtwe na so a wumma obi ahu sɛ watwe na so nhyehyɛeɛ ne mmara bɛn na ɔmo yɛ no otumfo nyankopɔn de bia meka sɛ ɔma nipa abotrɛ na ɔmo hɛ Ghana football so no sa wanhyɛ wakoma a wobɛdidi ɔmatam because nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a Kotoko ne nkɔfo odwen ho a ɔmo nte ase CAF president say ɔno ɛnaano no a Senegalfoɔ ɛgye cap no afiri Moroccofoɔ nsɛm no ɛnyɛ sɛ na ɛyɛ ne ya because ɔse Morocco ɛyɛ ɔman a in the very last few years ɔno bɛyɛ CAF president no sɛ yɛ organize tournament biara na emu yɛ de a Moroccofoɔ no ɛka sɛ yɛbɛyɛ ama mo because they are not afraid to spend, and to be very honest ɛyɛ no korɛ Moroccofoɔ no ɔmo yɛ adeɛ nkɛnyɛ ɔmo a KB ka emu ayɛ den ama CAF because ɛtɔ da bi a sisi no o organize competition ɛnyɛ easy agye sɛ aban na safa ways and means ɛde sika wura mu ɛno na CAF president ɛbɔ Moroccofoɔ n'aba so sɛ ɔmo ayɛ adeɛ paa ɛnyɛ sɛ na ɔde n'akoma ɛsupport ɔmo ɔsɛ ɔsupport ɔmo because of ɔmo infrastructure ɛne ɔmo financial injection in African football no ɛno nti a na ɔbɔ ɔmo aba so na ɛnyɛ sɛ na ɔpɛ sɛ Senegalfoɔ no ɛgye cap no ɛno yɛ CAF president Patrick Musepe nsɛm a ɔno nso ɛde ɛtu dwa ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛna Ashanti Region Football Schools Competition no ɛbɛn wieɛ na CAS ɛntimi ankɔ n'anim ankɔgye trophy no na mmom no ɛyɛ Okes ɛne Uwas ɛna kɔɔ the grand finale ɛna Okesfoɔ ɛkyerɛ Uwasfoɔ sɛ hwɛ yɛde football ɛna atete yɛ football oriented school nti Okesfoɔ no ɛkye Uwas ɛhyɛ ɔmo ɛma tete trophy no ɛkɔ Dichem so ɛnya nkɔ Santase ɛno nso ɛne kakra ɛwɔ hɔ a mede ahyia ɛwɔ fie ha nra K5 ɛde nsɛm bi ato dwa sɛ Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters no ɔmo bra stadium na ɔmo ba stadium a saa stadium akye a it will be very difficult for referee sɛ ɔbɛba babayara na wabɛsisi Asante Kotoko. This is K5 ɛna ɛka saa nsɛm wei but sɛ no stadium ba no utimi emblemi supporters nko a so ɔmo de ade na ayɛ no K5 utimi blemi supporters nko a ɛyɛ stakeholders ni nyinaa adwuma sɛ babayara stadium no de ayɛ no me say sa obi te mampon obi te nkawe duru kwasiada ɛde sɛ obi gya the fie the comfort of the fie na wasɔre sɛ ɔfaka ɔbɛba bɛduru stadium na almost 50 or 100 cedis ko dura no asa twa ticket no ɔbɛtena awiem nkonya so fi asɛm wede bia meka sɛ kromo ha no ya yɛ football for no the Ghana Football Association and the league organizers they don't respect the supporters nipa no o free fi aba abɛhwɛ bɔ at least baby ɔbɛba no ɛwɔ sɛ onya ne comfortability but ɛnɛ ɛntesa ɛnɛ no so options ne dɔɔso sɛ ɔka sɛ ɔmma stadium obenya ade foforo bi ɛne ne time ɛne ne sika a obenya ho benefit more than sɛ ɔbɛba stadium nti stadium asɛm no ɛnyɛ Kotoko ɛna yɛntimi nyɛ adwuma yɛ ma nipa mma stadium Accra azofo kora de ɔmo bɔ ɛmmɔbɔ ɔmo bɔ Accra Sports Stadium a nipa kakra bi VIP ɔkora nyama Kotoko de sɛ VIP hɔ na hɔ yɛ kama no obɛsɛ tɛ bia hɔ ayɛ ma asɛm ɔde bia bɛka Kotoko bɔ bia no VIP yɛ ma because VIP hɔ no obi te hɔ a awia mmɔ no nsuo mmɔ no ohu bɔ no nso clear wɔ hɔ nti tɛ bia hɔ na ayɛ ma but mfimfini hɔ no ɔhɔ no na ayɛ ara bɛwɔ sɛ ɛdedam stadium na yɛ deja okotena stadium a awia bɛbɔ nsuo to awia bɛ ɛna visibility grounds anye clear from where the stands is and from where the pitch is ebu ten old stadium ne that so use Olympic stadium because football Yeah, football, Ghana Football Association for they don't respect the supporters. Gomo respect the supporters and Kumbe Stadium ni so that will be better stadium will be the comfortability. Abetamu ene or resume training with Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I know na Coach Karim Zito, one of the biggest headache because player afraid to do no unimbo nembo. Once I don't know any kind of qualities no. Our pace, our flair, or you're quick on the ball, and I feel so, or you're good shooter. Inti, abetamu ebano. He's deciding. Coach Karim Zito is contemplating to start Abet Amwa and player Freno Dogo Yakubu as the starters in the front ahead of Kwame Poku and Donzo. This is exclusive news. He is contemplating. So on Sunday, don't be surprised to see both Kwame Poku and Donzo on the bench for Yakubu, Dogo, and Abet Amwa at the front. So Ochusu, Yakubu, Dogo, and Abet Amwa ahead of Donzo and Kwame Poku. This is the order who wants Yama Nadrin no Ayeshino. And I think say Sana was echo. Yahu Kwame Poku and Donzo no, it's been producing enough goals. And to say no, yenya abetamu a waye bida. And yenya new player yakofa na ba ono so yehu say there are signs of a great player. Inti me kra de me ne ya adwen say ombo Dogo no ene Albert as Kotoko status for now. Ni yenya consistency wo ho. And now what do you think? To say Kwame Poku, Donzo, Abetamu, Yakubu Dogo onye ne say. Mr. Mamento nka in the comment section.